My name is Kyle Steiner. I'm from Villa Park, Illinois. I'm a junior here at Concordia, Wisconsin. I'm studying finance and sport hospitality business. Concordia is special to me because I've had family involved with Concordia for generations. I have two grandparents, one on each side that attended Concordia Chicago. My parents work at Concordia Chicago, and I have three older siblings that came here to Concordia, Wisconsin. I hope that you'll give to Concordia, Wisconsin because they've made it so easy for me to be involved here as a leader on campus in various roles. I love to announce games on campus. I'm a part of CUW Residence Life. I'm in our Student Government Association. Your donation matters to help me continue to be a leader in these roles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.